Health and Society. This is a narrated tour around the website to ensure that you know all of the things that go into the online experience. Let's take a moment to look at the course tabs. Courseware is where you will find the course's content. Before we go through what you will find on the Courseware tab, I'd like to point out the pre-course survey. Please take a few moments to take this survey so that we can better understand who you are. Thank you for your participation. To get started, every week in Courseware we will release new content. This will appear along the left side. When you click on week 1, you will find several sections. Within these sections, there are units. These units include videos, online activities, and knowledge checks. You can control the speed of the video,
why is it that some nations have citizens who live long lives while others do not? So the question is
the volume,
I want to say a little bit about my own life and how I came to be interested in this question.
the screen size, the captions, and pause it as I have done here whenever you like. When captions are enabled, the transcript appears alongside the video. Click anywhere in the transcript to jump to that part of the video. You can also download the video and the transcript. The transcript comes in a .srt file, which can be translated to other languages. In addition to videos, there are also, as I said before, online activities and knowledge checks. You will know that there are more units for you to look at because the arrow on the right will be black. When you reach the end of a sequence of units, the arrow will turn gray. You should then move on to the next subsection by clicking in the gray box on the bottom, or by clicking over on the left as I have done before. You will also see that there are discussion forums within each week that are specific to the content. Be sure to click Show Discussion to read others' posts and to reply or upvote others' posts before clicking New Post to add your own new post. Next, you'll find the Course Info tab. This is where we'll post updates, news, and announcements related to the course, so please check this often. You will be taken to this page every time you log into the course. We will also upload important documents, such as the syllabus and bibliography, here on the right under Course Handouts. The Discussion tab brings together all of the discussions that are happening around the course. You can use the Show All Discussions tab to browse the discussion by title. We recommend that you use this space to view and post the top-level discussions. That is, the discussions that are general to the course and not attached to any specific week of the course. For example, the general discussion. Add to these discussions by clicking the New Post button and use the drop-down menu to choose which discussion you'd like to post your comment in. You can also find other information about how to use the discussion within the discussion home, for instance, how to upvote, report misuse, and follow posts. The Progress tab is to show your individual progress for all modules. You might notice that knowledge checks contain between 1 and 6 questions. There are 100 questions or 100 points available for the entire course. The knowledge checks worth 1 point show up here, the knowledge checks worth 2 points show up here, 3 points, etc. The important score to check is this total here. The other 2 tabs are the syllabus, which contains information about the course, also contains a link to the entire textbook, which you can purchase online here, and contains links to each week's course content. Finally, the textbook tab contains the selected chapters that are recommended for the course. And these are in order of the week's reading, and you can see that Chapter 3 comes after Chapter 4 because Chapter 4 is for week 3 and Chapter 3 is for week 4. To use the textbook, to read the textbook, click on the chapter of interest. To flip pages, hover to the right and click the arrow. To increase the size of the textbook, press the plus. To decrease, press the minus. And to go back pages, hover to the left and press the arrow. You'll note that you cannot go back to the next chapter and must click on the left to go to the next chapter. I hope you found this tour useful. Thank you so much for participating, and we look forward to your work in this course. If you have any other general questions, please post them in the general, either in the general category or in the Help Each Other FAQ. And please, if you know the answer to someone else's question, help each other out and answer within this discussion board. Thank you.